Hi, I'm Jack Murphy, Managing Director and co-owner of the Wheel Specialist franchise opportunity. And we have a fantastic group of individuals here at head office who deliver 5-star support around the clock to our close-knit and high-performing network of franchisees. We pride ourselves on the brand and the support that we deliver to our network, and our vision is to be the best for wheels, coverage and customer convenience. However, don't just take my word for it, hear it from the franchisees themselves.
We get a lot of support from head office. We always have done actually over the years. I've probably used them more than I should have done, but they're always very helpful. Any issues at all, there was always somebody to answer the phone. The best part for me especially was even a weekend, if we were stuck with something, you could actually ring Ginny on a mobile and she'd actually answer. It's very valuable. You've got to have head office. We couldn't have done this on our own. You know, they've got the business model. We've just implemented what they say, and it works.
In the initial stages, we just went to see the organisation at LapTab, and got shown around there, got an idea of what we're doing. One thing that does stick in my mind was that there was a Subaru in there that had come from Yorkshire. That kind of made me think, hey, there must be people prepared to travel from Yorkshire to Birmingham, so there must be something in this business. Ginny and her team have got a wealth of knowledge, and yeah, they'll help you 100%. In the initial years, it was a learning curve for not just us, but for the group as a whole. But now, obviously, the support is huge. You know, not just from a technical and from a marketing point of view. There's just so much in the franchise now, in advice and support.
We met up with everyone up at their office, which at the time was, if I remember correctly, was out in Tyburn Road. Really liked the product that they were making, so decided, yeah, let's give it a go. Let's go for it. Got together, and the backup from the team was brilliant. Couldn't fault it. Backup wise, I think it's one of the most crucial parts of owning a franchise is the backup you get from the guys at the franchise head office.
Just thought it was a superb product, great service, and looked into it in more detail, and there was nothing else like it on the market. With all the rebranding and keeping everything smart and up to point and all the investment in machinery, it's a very good opportunity for somebody new to come in and just to run with it. Vernon and I went up to head office a couple of weeks ago. We hadn't been out for a long time. They have been really working on the brand. I think that's one of the things that I feel very passionately about now, is how strong the brand is. Any established franchise, you know where you are, don't you? If you're the Costa branch or the McDonald's, they're massive, but there's so many franchises around now. And I think that's now where they are with the Wheel Specialist. If you're going to be going to one branch or another, you know immediately where you are. And I love that. I think the longevity of the brand definitely pays dividends for somebody coming in now, because they know so well what they're doing. Ginny has always been there. She's always on the end of the phone. Very happy to talk. Jack is now, well, he's been for a long time, he's at that level. So from a point of view of when you get stuck with things mentally, or you're really having a bit of just some ideas, or just chewing the cud, it's been a very good thing to have, knowing that you can, somebody is literally, it's not a big corporate company where you have to go through a switchboard and they don't know who you are, and it's very personal. That's what I'm looking for, is a personal setup.
The support on a regular day-to-day basis, even with stuff, just basic stuff like if powders have gone out of stock, we'll get a regular update every week from head office regarding that. So you're always
in the loop.
Yeah, you're always up to date with what's going on. You're never really behind anything.
The support you receive from head office right from the word go is amazing. Every step of the way. So from opening the franchise, you've got shopping lists of things that you've to purchase. They're constantly on the phone. Where are we up to with this? Can we help with that? Just everything. Right, like I said, right from the offset.
It couldn't be more helpful.
No, they couldn't. When we hit COVID, we'd only been open for 5 weeks. Ginny, there were emails coming in daily. This is what you can do, look into that. I know you've to close, but there's this funding available, there's that funding available. Amazing. Every day we
You
are
always
getting...
know that you can pick up a phone.
Yes.
Regardless of the problem or the dilemma you might have, pick up the phone somebody, and somebody will answer. And even if they don't have the answer straight away, they'll go and find the answer for you. It's just so helpful.
Yeah, yeah.